like a song? Like a song? Yeah. What would you like a song about? Fairies and princesses and pirates and nature and love. You want another pirate? You want fairies and pirates. You want pirates. We will leave the lost and Marley's. We will leave the lost and Marley's. We will leave the lost and Marley's down the street. Oh, we lost it down at Grayton. Lost it down at Grayton. Lost it down at Grayton. Down the Springfield. For he found it in his pocket. Found it in his pocket. He found it in his pocket. Down the Springfield Road. As the wind does blow, it is in her heart as joys winter snow. It is in her tears first the raindrops fall, and within her ears the shade is in song. Oh, how did I get here, said the human. You must have fallen asleep in a fairy circle, but do not worry, once you awaken, you'll be right back where you fell asleep on a horse. Okay, said the human. Cool. Those are for wishing. You take one of those and you make a wish on it, you tie it onto the wishing line on either side. This
I'm so sorry.
is for wishing. You take the stuff with it and you make a wish and you tie it onto the wishing vine. Traditionally it would have been a tree and it would have been near the town well. So this is actually where wishing wells come from. So you make your wish and you tie it onto either side onto the wishing vine. And so the pet shop owner thinks, Kenny, this will help with the centipede. A centipede, says the man. I'd never heard of a centipede that could do any housework before, but I suppose I could give it a try. And so he takes the centipede home and he puts him in the kitchen. And he says, Mr. Centipede, please clean the kitchen. Well, I'll tell you what, my job here in the village is to spread magic. And does anyone know what the greatest magic of all is? It is love, so can I have hugs? No, it's okay, you don't have to.